We are going to turn this sketch into a digital product, and as an artist I wanted to give a try to print on demand side hustle. So first I got this sketch. If you don't, you gotta sketch something if you're an artist. If you are not, you can use AI. Next, we are going to use Affinity from Canva to edit. I think it's an amazing tool to start with. Third, we should put it on a product, and the last step is to market the product. And I'm gonna try Pinterest as a search engine optimized tool. All right. So I started by dragging my drawing into Affinity. To be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. It's my first time, so I will speed the process. It's already 10 and the goal is to finish before midnight. So what I'm doing here is I'm renaming the project so I can save it to my desktop. And yeah. Here I'm using Canva to add a life to the design because it was like cut in the bottom, and it won't look good on a t-shirt or a mug or also as a sticker. So I had to add something into it. As a print-on-demand marketplace, I'm using TeePublic. I already opened a shop on Redbubble, but it got shut down. So I'm trying TeePublic, and stay tuned for the results on the TeePublic. So TeePublic, it's a marketplace, so we don't have to do the marketing, but because it's a marketplace. So yeah, but you should do it to drive traffic to your products. And I started to put my design on the products that I want, like hoodies, stickers, tote bag, etc. And also you have an option to choose any all the colors that suits the design you created. For example, my design didn't work pretty well with black, so I didn't use a dark colors. I went with light colors and pastel ones. So yeah. And the last step is to fill the title, descriptions, tags, all the information, and voila. Be careful with the tags, choose wisely, choose any words or any phrases that are related to your design. And yeah, and here I hit publish. And your design should be up after 24 hours or maybe immediately. I don't know. This is my first time using TeePublic. So yeah, and it was time to go to sleep because I was really tired. Surprisingly, in the morning or in the next morning, I received this email about my store getting banned in TeePublic. So I sent them an email, and to be honest, today is 10 days from the day that I started to recording my video and they didn't respond. So yeah, so I switched to Zazzle. Zazzle is also a marketplace, and as you see, but this time I tried to use a different illustration. I don't know, I kind of felt like my T-Public was shut because of that anime illustration, although it was my own design. I didn't copy it from anywhere. So yeah, as you see here, you have an option called products. Here you choose your product, like hoodies, mugs, etc. I went with hoodies. I don't know, because they are really popular on print on demand. And then I dragged my projects. There, as I said earlier, I use a different project. This is like a surreal silhouette art. So I'm using this illustration in a hoodie, and as you can see, you can add a title and make it customizable. That means that your clients can personalize the title on the products. So that's really cool. It's for your clients. As you see, they have like a lot of fonts. They all look good. You can choose the one you like, and the most suitable one with your design. And also the customer has the right to change the fonts or the writing or the word you are writing, if you give him the permission, of course. When you edit your design, before you publish your design. And now, since I'm happy with my design, I started to fill all the information. By the way, you can use this tool to like have an idea about the tags, or you can purchase other tools. But for me, I'm trying to give you like some free tools to start with. And I completed the process. When you finish, you hit publish. Now it's time for us to market our products. I think this is the part that I hate the most. So yeah, here I'm in Canva. I tried like to organize all my designs. I have like these hoodies, and also I created a journal using the same design, literally. So yeah, you can be creative. And here I'm trying to schedule all my pins, because I literally don't have time to post every day, even on social media. I'm really not that active. So yeah, I try to schedule several pins on Pinterest. And yeah, and here, as you see, I have like silhouette hoodies. I have like these silhouette tree blend. I don't know what's the name. And here, silhouette notebook.